We humans are on an incredible journey. This journey is not just about the places we travel to or the milestones we achieve in our lifetimes. It's a journey that spans the vastness of time and space, connecting us to the very origins of life itself. It's the journey of evolution. Evolution is how life changes over time, adapting to new environments and challenges. It's a process that has shaped every living thing on Earth, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest mammals. It's how we went from single-celled organisms to the amazing species we are today. Imagine the countless generations of life that have come and gone, each one a link in the chain of our existence. Imagine early humans swinging through trees, much like our primate relatives. These early ancestors were not just surviving, they were learning, adapting, and evolving. Picture them walking upright for the first time. This monumental shift allowed them to see further, travel longer distances, and use their hands for tools and other tasks. Think of the moment they discovered fire. This was not just a source of warmth and light, it was a revolutionary tool that changed their diet, their safety, and their social structures. These milestones weren't just random events, they were crucial steps in our evolution, each one building on the last to create the complex beings we are today. Understanding our evolutionary past is important. It gives us insight into the challenges our ancestors faced and how they overcame them, and it gives us clues about our future. By understanding where we come from, we can better navigate where we are going, ensuring that the journey of human evolution continues for generations to come. One of the biggest and most significant changes in human evolution was the shift to walking on two legs. This monumental transition marked a pivotal point in our journey from ancient ancestors to modern humans. This evolutionary development is known as bipedalism. Imagine our early ancestors, who primarily moved around on all fours, navigating through dense forests and open savannas. Over millions of years, gradual changes occurred. These changes were not sudden but happened over countless generations, driven by the need to adapt to new environments and challenges. One of the most critical adaptations was in our pelvis. It became shorter and wider, which provided better support and balance for walking on two legs. This anatomical shift was crucial for maintaining stability and efficiency in bipedal locomotion. Another significant change was in our spine. It developed an S-shaped curve, which helped us stand upright and absorb the shocks that come with walking and running. This curvature was essential for reducing the strain on our bodies and preventing injuries. Our feet also underwent remarkable transformations. The big toe, which was once more thumb-like and used for grasping, became aligned with the other toes. This alignment provided a stronger push off the ground, enhancing our ability to walk and run efficiently. But why did we stand up in the first place? Walking on two legs freed our hands, allowing us to carry objects, use tools, and perform tasks that were impossible while moving on all fours. This newfound ability to carry food and tools was revolutionary. It enabled our ancestors to gather and transport resources more efficiently, which was crucial for survival. Additionally, standing upright allowed us to see further into the distance, giving us a better vantage point to spot potential threats or opportunities. This enhanced perspective was incredibly helpful for spotting predators and finding food. Being able to scan the horizon for danger or locate distant resources provided a significant advantage in the harsh and competitive environments our ancestors faced. Moreover, bipedalism facilitated social interactions and cooperation among early humans. With hands free, they could engage in more complex communication, share tasks, and build stronger social bonds, which were essential for the development of early human communities. Ultimately, the move to two legs was not just a physical transformation, but a catalyst for innovation and creativity. It set the stage for the development of tools, art, and culture, shaping the course of human history in profound ways. As humans evolved, our brains got bigger, much bigger. This brain growth allowed us to think in complex ways. We developed language, art, and culture. But this brain power came at a cost. Large brains require a lot of energy. To fuel our growing brains, we needed more calorie-rich food. Cooking helped. Cooked food is easier to digest and releases more energy. Interestingly, as our brains grew, our jaws and teeth got smaller. This is likely because cooked food was softer and easier to chew. We didn't need such powerful jaws anymore. Over millions of years, humans have lost certain body parts. These losses were often driven by changes in our environment and lifestyle. One example is fur. Early humans, like our primate cousins, had a lot of body hair. As we moved into hotter climates and developed sweating for cooling, we lost much of our fur. We also lost our tails. Our tails are great for balance and communication in many animals, but as we became bipedal, our tails became less important for balance. Losing these features wasn't a bad thing. It helped us adapt and thrive in new environments. Wisdom teeth and appendix. Are they disappearing? In this section, we delve into the fascinating topic of certain body parts that seem to be fading away over generations. Some body parts seem to be on their way out. These parts, once essential for our ancestors, are now becoming less common or even redundant in modern humans. They're not completely gone yet, but fewer people have them. This trend raises intriguing questions about human evolution and how our bodies adapt to changing lifestyles and diets. Wisdom teeth are a good example. These teeth, also known as third molars, are located at the very back of our mouths. These are our third molars, the teeth at the very back of our mouths. They typically emerge in late adolescence or early adulthood. In the past, we needed them to chew tough foods like roots and raw meat. Our ancestors relied on these teeth to break down fibrous plant material and raw animal flesh. Today, our food is much softer. With the advent of cooking and food processing, our diets have drastically changed, reducing the need for such robust chewing mechanisms. Wisdom teeth often don't have enough room to grow in properly. This lack of space can lead to them becoming impacted, causing a host of dental issues. They can cause pain and infections. Impacted wisdom teeth can lead to severe discomfort, infections, and even damage to adjacent teeth, necessitating their removal. The appendix is another example. This small tube-like structure is attached to the large intestine. It's a small pouch attached to the large intestine. Its exact function has been a subject of scientific debate for many years. Its function is still debated, but it might have played a role in digesting plant matter in the past. Some theories suggest it was useful for our ancestors who had a diet rich in cellulose from plants. Today, it seems to have little use and can become inflamed, leading to appendicitis. This condition can be quite serious, often requiring surgical removal of the appendix to prevent complications. The gradual disappearance of these body parts highlights the dynamic nature of human evolution. As our environment and lifestyles continue to evolve, so too do our bodies, shedding what is no longer necessary and adapting to new challenges. This ongoing process of change is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the human species. It also opens up fascinating avenues for research into how we might continue to evolve in the future. Understanding these changes not only helps us appreciate our past, but also prepares us for the future. As we learn more about our bodies and their evolution, we can better address the health challenges that lie ahead. So while wisdom teeth and the appendix may be on their way out, they remind us of our incredible journey through time and the ever-changing story of human evolution. Why we're changing the role of diet, technology, and more. Why are some body parts shrinking or disappearing? Several factors are at play, including our diet, technology, and medical advancements. Our diet has changed dramatically. We eat more processed foods and fewer tough, fibrous foods. This softer diet requires less chewing, which might contribute to smaller jaws and the problems with wisdom teeth. Technology plays a role too. Glasses correct our vision, so the pressure to maintain perfect eyesight might be reduced. Medical advancements mean we can treat infections and diseases that might have been fatal in the past. The future of humanity. Genetic engineering and beyond. Predicting the future of human evolution is tricky, but we can look at potential trends and imagine the possibilities. Genetic engineering is one area with huge potential. Scientists are developing techniques to alter our genes. This could lead to cures for genetic diseases. It could even allow us to enhance our physical and mental abilities. Imagine a future where genetic engineering is commonplace. We might be able to choose the traits of our children, from eye color to intelligence. The ethical implications of such power are enormous and require careful consideration. Space, the final frontier for human evolution. What if we become a spacefaring species? Living in space with its different gravity and radiation could have a profound impact on our evolution. Our bones and muscles might adapt to lower gravity. Our bodies might develop new ways to protect us from cosmic radiation. We might even evolve new senses or abilities to help us navigate and thrive in the cosmos. Space exploration is the ultimate adventure. It's a journey that could push the boundaries of human evolution in ways we can only imagine. Evolution continues our ever-changing species. Evolution is not a finished process. It's happening right now, even if we don't always see it. Our genes are constantly interacting with our environment. Some scientists believe that our brains might continue to evolve. Will they become even larger? Or will they become more efficient, packing more processing power into a smaller space? It's also possible that we're evolving new ways to fight off diseases. As we face new viruses and bacteria, our immune systems must adapt to survive. Shaping our evolutionary destiny. The epic tale of human evolution is still being written. We've come a long way from our early ancestors. We've stood up, grown bigger brains, and lost some body parts along the way. But evolution is an ongoing process. As we continue to change the world around us, we'll continue to evolve too. The future of our species is full of possibilities. It's up to us to understand our evolutionary past, navigate the present, and shape our destiny.